organization that celebrates the people in the world of entertainment with a rich body of work throughout British Columbia. More than 275 Star Walk pioneers and inductees have been honored for their significant contribution to British Columbia's cultural landscape. Tonight is my sincere honor, and I'm proud to induct 5440. And a great supporter of the arts, my pal Bill Ullman.
Good evening. I cannot believe the first time I heard this band, I was in third year university. It was 1986, and She Ran was burning up the charts at CITR. Holy crap! 5440 has unquestionably left their mark on the Canadian cultural landscape. More than 3 decades of performing, recording. The band has an unbelievable catalog of hit songs, and you're hearing them tonight. Led by chief songwriter Neil Osborne. Sir. Along with the other amazing present band members. Let's hear it for Dave Genn. Brad Merritt. And Matt Johnson. 5440 have carved out a legacy of gold and platinum albums and an outstanding reputation for live performances that carries through to tonight. More than 35 years later, 2,500 performances, how the hell do you do it? And 17 albums later, the secret to 54's longevity, 5440's longevity, is their ability to redefine and reinvent themselves. Taking longtime fans with them on a joyride that always picks up new young fans. The BC Entertainment Hall of Fame. The BC Entertainment Hall of Fame is delighted to induct this prestigious band and thank them for their contribution.
Thank you, Bill. It is my honor to conduct the formal induction of 5440. Christina Potter, who's on our board, will you please come out with the official certificate? Christina is going to show this to Neil and the band. This is what it says. This is to certify that 5440 was duly elected by their peers and is now a Star Walk member on the British Columbia Entertainment Hall of Fame. As such, and for all to note, a plaque bearing this member's name and discipline has been embedded in the Star Walk along the sidewalks in front of Vancouver's Theatre Row. Further, a special photograph of this member now hangs up on the Star Wall located in the historic Orpheum Theatre on the corner. Henceforth, only members shall be entitled to wear the exclusive BC Entertainment Hall of Fame. If you could please present our members with their pin. This pin designates their outstanding contribution to the British Columbia entertainment industry. I would now ask if Neil Osborne could please come up and say a few words. Neil.
Is this thing on? Thank you so much. This is a really, it's cool. I mean, I remember we were in Regina about 10-15 years ago, and we had a gig in a nightclub. We were on about 11 o'clock at night, and our good friends that are in the band Blue Rodeo were at a theater, and they were on at 8 o'clock at night, so we went and hung out with them, and we went into their dressing room, in the intermission, and I had a nice chat with Greg Keeler, who's one of the singers and songwriters in the band. And he's like, "Hey Neil, how's it going?" And I went, "It's not bad." And he goes, "Yeah, that's great, isn't it?" And he says, "Yeah." I said, "Greg, you know, I really don't think at this point in my career I can do anything else." And he said, "It's nice to know your options are behind you." I never forgot that. So I've got one option, and you guys are helping us make that option come true. Special thanks to my brother, Mr. Dave Osborne, on here, over here on the organ. He's played on most of all our records, including our next one, Keep On Walking. On behalf of Matt, Dave, and Brad, it's really your award. So when you go step on or spit on that thing outside, it's for us. Thank you.
For those of you, when the show ends, which I hope it doesn't end for a while, we would like you all to go across the street tonight if you'd like to see the star that we've just unveiled this evening. It is embedded right across the street in front of the doors of the Commodore, where the old movie theater was. If you'd like to read more about the Hall of Fame or make a donation, please go to bcentertainmenthalloffame.com. Congratulations, 5440. Thank you.